Creo 4.0 makes you more productive than ever. It's packed with hundreds of new enhancements and capabilities to help you design smarter. The Internet of Things is transforming how companies create, operate, and service products. Creo Product Insight allows you to take advantage of the IoT to create the products of the future today. By streamlining the flow of information from the real world into your design environment, Creo Product Insight allows you to replace assumptions with facts. And thanks to an integration with ThingWorx, the world's leading industrial IoT platform, collecting and sharing this data is easier than ever, enabling you to drive better design decisions. Whether you are looking to get more value out of your prototypes, design smart connected products, or use data to drive the next generation of products, Creo Product Insight can help. Creo 4.0. Design smarter.